Are you looking for the best bathtub caddy in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bathtub caddy that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Langria Bamboo Bathtub Caddy Tray. Made of superior quality bamboo materials with a perfectly smooth finish, this product is extremely high-resistant and quite long-lasting and will offer you a perfect relaxing time. It is an easily adjustable bathtub caddy tray that can be adjusted from 29.3 to 42.5 inches, allowing for universal usage in just about any bathtub. It features everything from anti-skid rubber pads, a glass holder, mug holder, book holder, phone slot holders and a removable tray. Number 4. Royal Craft Bamboo Wood Luxury Bathtub Caddy Tray. This is a stylish, functional, waterproof and durable bathtub caddy that is made of organic bamboo wood that resists bacterial and mold. It is a great product for couples since it has 2 slots for your accessories, side handles as well as trays. It is also slip resistant and has an expandable design that enables it to fit in most bathtubs. The only downside is that the paint is bound to chip off with extensive use. Number 3. Royal Craft Bamboo Wood Luxury Bathtub Caddy Tray, Brown. Featuring the newest smart design, this caddy tray can keep virtually everything you will need while in your bathtub on board. For instance, it can safely accommodate your book, e-book reader, or tablet in an adjustable and waterproof reading stand. It also has a wineglass holder, handy and detachable spa trays for your spa bath salts and a secure smartphone holder. It is durable, can be adjusted to suit in all bathtubs and usually comes with money-back guarantee. In addition, it also comes with a free brown soap holder. Number 2. Bamboo Bamboo Bathtub Caddy Tray. Made using 100% eco-friendly, waterproof, and durable bamboo materials, this caddy tray has been ergonomically designed to meet the highest standards of ultimate relaxation. It is sleek, easy to use and can be adjusted to fit in just about any bathtub. It can firmly hold your phone, tablet, book or anything you may want to carry into your bathtub. It is extremely beautiful and always comes with a money-back guarantee. Number 1. Soothing Styles The Ultimate Bamboo Wood Bathtub Caddy Tray. Having an updated design, this stylish bathtub candy tray usually comes with a waterproof reading rack cloth, non-slip stainless steel arms and a larger wineglass slot. It also features a perforated soap and beverage dish, 2 accessory hooks and a slotted book rack that enables you to position your book, iPad or tablet to a perfect position. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.